So, you're ready to build a real future in cybersecurity, right? I mean, really ready to go beyond just theory and actually start doing the work? Well, you're in exactly the right place. Welcome to Cyber Command. Your future, it starts right now.
All right, so here's the game plan for this orientation. First, we'll give you a proper welcome. Then, we're diving straight into our mission. After that, we'll map out your entire growth path, get really clear on what we expect from you, and hand over the keys to success. And we'll wrap up by talking about how your future in this field literally starts today.
Okay, let's kick things off with Section 1. Welcome to Cyber Command. And our subtitle says it all. This is where operators are forged. This is all about who we are and the mission that drives every single thing we do.
So who are we really? Well, at our core, we're Cyber Command. And that's more than a name. It's a community, it's a culture, but we're also part of something so much bigger. We're the training arm of the Phoenix Project Foundation, which is a humanitarian nonprofit. And its whole purpose, its one goal, is to help people rise up and become the absolute best version of themselves. So when you join us, you're not just building your career, you're actually fueling that mission.
And let's be crystal clear on one thing right from the start. This is not just another training course. It's not another boot camp. This is a career transformation pipeline designed specifically to take you from where you are right now to where you truly want to be, step by step.
And that entire pipeline is powered by a core purpose. Which brings us to Section 2, our unstoppable mission. This is our why, and it's all built on 3 powerful pillars: clarity, confidence, and consistency.
Our mission is simple. It's direct. We are here to make cyber professionals unstoppable in the cyber game. That's it. That's the entire goal.
But what does unstoppable actually mean? Look, it's not about memorizing stuff from a textbook. It's about tangible, measurable outcomes. We're talking about developing real skills, the kind employers are actually looking for, gaining real hands-on experience, on live projects, and building that real confidence that only comes when you know for a fact that you can solve complex problems. We give you the blueprints, the actual roadmaps to achieve leadership and true mastery in this field. So how exactly do we get you there? That's what Section 3 is all about, your cyber growth path. This is our proven, battle-tested blueprint to take you all the way from student to industry leader. Your transformation happens in 5 distinct stages. You start as a student, where you'll build a rock-solid foundation. Then you become a professional, and this is where you stop just learning and start applying skills in real-world environments. From there, you evolve into an engineer, the builder, learning to create and automate complex systems, not just use them. Next, you become an architect, designing full-scale, resilient security infrastructures from the ground up. And finally, you emerge as a leader with not just the tech skills, but the ability to guide teams and really shape the future of this industry.
So how do we actually support you along that path? Well, this table says it all. Most places might offer you 1, maybe 2 of these things. Here, you get all 5. We provide the training to learn, the tutoring to really understand, the coaching to transform your habits, consulting to solve real-world problems, and mentorship for your long-term growth. It's a complete, all-in-one support system.
But all of this whole framework, it means nothing without one key ingredient: you. And that brings us to Section 4, what we expect. This is all about your commitment to your own growth.
Okay, and I need to be super clear about this. This is not a passive experience. This isn't something where you just sit back and watch videos. Your success here, it's a partnership. It absolutely requires your focused effort, your daily discipline, and your full engagement with the community. We expect you to ask questions when you're stuck, to jump in and help others when you've got it figured out, and most importantly, to take complete ownership of your journey. We need you to think beyond just the next cert and start thinking about your long-term career. This is an active role. You are the one in the driver's seat. So if you're willing to bring that commitment, how do you absolutely guarantee your success? Well, that's what Section 5 is for, your keys to success. We call these the 3 non-negotiables. They are the simple, powerful operating system for becoming truly elite.
So here they are. Think of this as your personal operating system for success. It's built on just 3 simple but incredibly powerful principles. Number 1, be coachable. Number 2, be consistent. And number 3, be curious. Now, let's break down what each of these really means. First up, be coachable. This is the absolute engine of your growth. It's the ability to actually hear feedback, to check your ego at the door, and to constantly, and I mean constantly, ask, what can I do better? The best operators in the world stay humble and hungry to learn.
Next, be consistent. This is your power source. It just means showing up every day, especially when it's tough. Look, success in this field comes from habits, not some secret hack. It's the small, daily actions that build unstoppable momentum.
And finally, be curious. This is the one that turns good engineers into great ones. It's the habit of always looking deeper, of questioning assumptions, and always trying to understand the why behind the what. You have to never stop exploring. And if you want a simple way to remember how these all connect, think of it like this. The coachable person learns, the curious person discovers, and the consistent person, well, they become. That's the formula. It's really that straightforward.
And that brings us right to our final section, Section 6. Your future starts now. It is time to take the next step.
So I have to ask you, straight up, are you ready to level up your cyber career? Are you really ready to stop waiting and start building?
Because you need to remember, this is so much more than a program. It's a community. It's a squad. You are not going on this journey alone. We're here to support you every single step of the way.
So if you're ready to commit, if you're ready to embrace this challenge and truly become unstoppable, then your journey starts right now. We'll see you inside the community.